Here we go. Here's my Micah. Yeah. It is now 1500, the 23rd of September, and I'm here with Micah because the nurse got pulled away. They had an emergency with another baby, so they asked me if I'd come down here and sit with him, which is cool. So here I am, looking at my son. Yeah, look at Micah. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Yeah. He's a good baby. He's my good Micah, huh? Can you give me your finger? Huh? Give Daddy your finger. You wanna play with your finger? Huh? Huh? No, you don't wanna play with your finger right now? No, that's okay. That's okay. I don't know why they got this stuff on you now. I don't know why they got that stuff attached to you now, boy. It's okay, though. They're taking good care of you. Yeah, they're gonna be taking good care of you. Look at you. Yeah, look at you. He's a good boy. He's my baby. Mommy's looking forward to seeing you. Yes, she is. Mommy's really looking forward to seeing you.
How are you doing?
Doing pretty good. I don't know if it's a good sign or not. I saw the numbers at 95, now it's at 97, and he apparently pushed this little mask thing away from him, because when I came in, it was sitting up here and I haven't touched it.
Oh, good.
So.
I'm doing a hearing screen on.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay. I saw that and I was like, wait a minute here, okay.
And we do have a lot of interference in here, so sometimes it doesn't.
Ah, okay.
Let me turn this off.